Nightly, you're facing a number of headwinds regarding the Novus takeover. How confident are you that the deal will go through? Are you going to up your offer to shareholders as the TRP ordered?
Well, I think you're asking me a question that you should be asking Novus. We're not involved in discussions that they're currently having with shareholders or the TRP. I can't give you a comment on how confident are that the deal will go through. I think that you've got to ask them. I mean, I think obviously from Novus' point of view, the last discussions, they obviously like the asset and they're still keen on increasing their stake in the asset. There is a bit of a hurdle that they need to overcome. There is, as far as I know, the information that you've got is basically the information that we've got. The only thing that maybe, as far as I understand, there will be some sort of a hearing somewhere in April to set up another hearing in July or somewhere there. So I think to get a proper answer, please reach out to Novus. Or there's one complainant, it's Mr. Albie Saliers. He's as far as I know, he's the only complainant about the whole transaction. So maybe he can give you some insight as well of where they are and how does he foresee this thing panning out in the near future. But from our side, we are employed to run the business and to fix what we can fix and put the business in the right direction and trajectory, which we do believe then over the long term is a sustainable way to go. That's what we got to do, and that's what we're focusing on. What's going on between Novus and the JSE and all the complainant. I think it's better that they comment on that.